Hello student, welcome to all of you. In this video we will see what happened when Franz, the little boy, reached to the school. So let's see. I thought he was making fun of me and reached Hammel's little garden all out of breath. Means Franz says that when he was on his way to the school, the iron smith trying to stop him, but he did not stop because he was getting late for his school. Usually when school began, there was a great bustle which could be heard out in the street, the opening and closing of desks, lessons repeated in unison, very loud with our hands over our ears to understand better, and the teachers get ruler rapping on the table. But now it was also still. I had counted on the commotion to get to my desk without being seen, but of course that day everything had to be as quiet as Sunday morning. Means Franz, the little boy, says generally when school is open there are great noises that coming from all the classes, and there is a loud of closing and opening of the desk, the lessons that are being repeated together in all the classes, the running, the jumping of the children's, teachers rulers that being rapping on the tables. All these noises come together that anybody can hear it to stand in the street too. But now it was also still. But today it was not happening so. It was so silent. The school was as silent as it was the Sunday morning. I had counted on the commotion to get to my desk without being seen. I had planned that without seeing by anybody, I anyhow reached my desk. But of course, that day everything had to be as quiet as Sunday morning. But as indeed this day was as silent as it was looking Sunday. Through the window, I saw my classmates already in their places and M. Hamel walking up and down with his terrible iron ruler under his arms. Means Franz says that through the window he peeped in his class, and he saw that his classmates were on their places, and his teacher, Mr. Hamel, was walking up and down in the class to having his terrible iron ruler in his hand. I had to open the door and go in before everybody. You can imagine how I blushed and how frightened I was. Franz reached to the class and he opened the door of the class, and when he opened the door everyone was present in the class. You can imagine how blushed and how frightened I was. Now at that time he was feeling so shyness because he was already late for the school, and that's why he was so scary also. But nothing happened. M. Hamel saw me and said very kindly, "Go to your place quickly, little Franz. We were beginning without you." But it was surprising for the Franz because his teacher was not angry at all. In fact, he was so kind, and in his kindly way he says to the Franz to take his place because they were starting the chapter without his presentation. I jumped over the bench and sat down at my desk. Not till then, when I had got a little over my fright. I did I see that our teacher had on his beautiful green coat, frilled shirt, and the little black silk cap all embroidered that he never wore except on inspection and prize days. Now Franz was on his seat. He was still in his shyness, but after that he noticed one thing in his teacher, that today his teacher was put on different dresses. Generally he wore it dress on Sunday, sorry, on the day of prize day, yeah, the day for the inspection. Besides, the whole school seemed so strange and solemn. And there was one thing more, and it was that the school was looking so different that day. as it was looking generally. But the thing that surprised me most was to see on the back benches that were always empty the village people sitting quietly like ourselves. Old Hauser with his three-cornered hat, the former mayor, the former postmaster, and several other besides. Now, Franz also noticed that there was the other people of the villages as like the old Hauser having three-corner hat on his head, the former mayor, the other postman, and several other people of the prestigious villagers were in the classes. They were seated on the back bench of the class. Generally, these benches were empty. Everybody looked sad, and Hauser had brought an old primer thumbed at the edges, and he had held it open on his knees, with his great spectacles lying across the pages. And he also saw that all the people of the villages who were in the class behind the children's were looking very sad, and the Hauser, a person, he also had brought a old primer. Old primer means होता है कानून की किताब. Thumbed at the edges, he was holding it through his hands and kept it on his knees. He was trying to turn over his pages. While I was wondering about it all, Mr. Hamel mounted his chair, and in the same grave and gentle tone which he had used to me, said, "My children, this is the last lesson I shall give you. The order has come from Berlin to teach only German in the schools of Alaska and Lorraine. The new master comes tomorrow. This is your last French lesson. I want you to be very attentive." Now, Franz says that he was in the class and he noticed that his teacher was sitting on his chairs, but he was looking very gentle, very kind. And Mr. Hamel also says to him in a very kind manner that it was the last lesson because the order had come from the German to teach only the schools of Alaska and Lorraine the other language. So the new teacher will come the next day, and today is the last lesson for the French language. That's why Mr. Hamel was very curious that student should pay very much attention to this lesson. So the next paragraph will be covered in the next video. Thank you.